Is buying an Hermes bag actually a good investment like everyone makes it seem? The famous Hermes Birkin is known for its iconic status. It's known for being notoriously hard to purchase and super, super expensive. Now, I don't personally own one myself, but I did educate myself on how to acquire an Hermes bag, and this is what I found. So for a sales associate to actually offer you an Hermes bag, you have to spend a certain amount in the Hermes store every year or per year. So there is a certain budget, I don't exactly know what that is, could be $10,000, $20,000 that you need to spend in the Hermes store on things other than the bag for them to even begin to consider you and to consider offering you the bag to purchase. And you need to do quite a few things. First thing is to spend that amount of money in the actual store. Second thing is you need to keep a good relationship with a sales associate because they will be your way and your guide to purchasing, whether it's an Hermes Birkin or a Kelly or whatever style you are looking to purchase. Now, if they do offer you an Hermes Birkin or an Hermes Kelly or just an Hermes bag in general, one of these super exclusive popular bags, if they do offer this to you, you have to purchase it. And if you don't, then they may never offer it to you again. So it is truly super, super hard to acquire. And we're going to go into if it's actually a good investment or not, because I did a lot of research on Hermes bags. So is this actually a good investment? Well, according to this article over here that I found, an Hermes Birkin 25, which is a specific style, I'm going to insert the picture right here, has a retail price of $10,000. And as soon as you buy it and you walk out of the store, you are able to resell that bag almost instantly for double or even more than double the price because of how hard it is to purchase. And the reason why you're able to sell it for so much more, number one, a lot of people don't want to wait and don't want to spend that much money in the store itself until they are able to purchase a bag. And Hermes actually limits you to purchasing one bag a year from them. So some people want to purchase more. That means they have to go to either resellers or they have to purchase a used or a secondhand bag. So that is why they are instantly a lot more expensive than if you purchase it in the store. So technically, it sounds like a really good investment. If you can purchase a bag for $10,000 and then instantly walk out and be able to sell it for double, sounds really good, no? But in my opinion, I don't think that it's maybe the best investment, and I'm gonna explain why. So if you're new here, my name is Farida. I am a six-figure Amazon seller. I am also an Amazon FBA coach to over 1,600 students. If you are interested to join my program, I will link it down below. And this is why I don't think that it's necessarily a good investment in all cases when it comes to an Hermes Birkin. So in my opinion, if you are making less than 50K to 100K a month, I don't think that you should even think about purchasing an Hermes Birkin because you have to spend thousands of dollars in the store first before you even get to purchase the bag. And then once you purchase the bag, you would be spending $10,000 on just one bag that doesn't bring you a lot of cash flow in. So I personally am not there yet, and until I get to that 50 to 100K a month mark, I am going to prioritize cash flow because I want my money to make me enough money to be able to purchase all the Birkins that I want comfortably. So some people choose, Birkins as their, let's say, side hustle or investment of choice to put their money in. Some people choose watches, whether it's Rolexes or Patek Philippe's or whatever it is. But I mean, you have to be really educated in what you are investing in. I don't really understand this world too much, but what I do understand is Amazon FBA, and this is what I have chosen to put my money into and to invest my money into to bring in cash flow for me. So through Amazon FBA, I was actually able to turn a $4,000 investment into over $120,000 in sales through my store, and this is just from one style of sunglasses. And out of that $120,000 in sales, I had $30K in profits. So the numbers are pretty good when you look at it. It's $4,000 turned into $30K in profits. That's not too bad. And the way that I did this is I sold sunglasses and I got the sales by sending them to hundreds of influencers all over the US for them to wear and to promote. And these influencers were all a part of the Amazon Associates program, which means that Amazon themselves was actually incentivizing these influencers to market my sunglasses, and they were giving the influencers commission. And this was coming out of Amazon's pocket, not out of my pocket. So I saw the opportunity there, I leveraged it, and this is what I'm continuing to do. And I'm actually launching 2 more products on the Amazon marketplace this year. So let me give you a few reasons why I chose Amazon. So number 1, Amazon is the biggest online marketplace in the world. All I did was launch my small business there instead of launching it on Shopify, because there are thousands of customers that are already searching to purchase my product on Amazon. All I had to do was make my listing good enough where when they see it, and if I put it in front of their eyes, that they would want to click on it, and the listing would convince them that this is the right choice for them to purchase, and they would click the add to cart button. Now, let's take this steamer for example. This is a steamer that I actually bought myself, and it was, kind of going viral a little bit on Instagram, and I was so shocked by the mechanism of it. I had never seen anything like this, and this is a completely new product. And you can see here through the Helium 10 X-ray tool, and Helium 10 allows you to see the revenue of each product that is being sold on Amazon. You can see here through the Helium 10 tool that it has under 200 reviews, and it's making $114,000 every month on Amazon. And profit margins for this are usually around 25 to 50%. So let's say if it is 25%, which is the least, the minimum, they would be making around $28,000 every single month. That would allow you to purchase 2 Birkins every month if you wanted to. And the best part is, number 1, you don't keep any of the inventory at home. You send it all straight to the Amazon warehouse, and you don't need to invent a new product. All you do is find a cool new product that is being sold on Alibaba, already there. It's a ready-made product, and you're just putting your branding on it. You can improve it a little bit by maybe changing the color, by changing the packaging, and this is what I do. I really focus on packaging and branding. So just minor changes like that, but you don't need to invent a whole entire new product. You're basically taking something that is existing in the marketplace and putting your own twist on it and putting your branding on it and selling it on Amazon. So yeah, guys, in conclusion, honestly, I would 1000% buy a Birkin at some point in my life. As I said, when I do reach that certain point where I'm making 50 to 100K a month. But until then, I am allocating and investing my money into Amazon FBA because I want to bring in even more and more cash flow so that I can comfortably purchase all of the bags and watches that I would want, and so that I don't have to sell them right away, so I can enjoy it for a little bit and then sell it afterwards. So yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you next week. Bye.